Let's talk about everyone's favorite South Indian delicacy, Uttapam. This savory pancake loaded with fresh vegetables is a breakfast favorite uh, across India. It's crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, and incredibly flavorful, making it not just healthy, but deliciously satisfying for the entire family. The best part about making Uttapam is its simplicity. Even if you're a novice in the kitchen, you can whip up a batch in just 30 minutes. All you need is dosa batter, some chopped veggies, and a few basic spices. Yes, it really is that easy. Now, let's address the common pain points. Preparing the perfect dosa batter can be daunting. Luckily, you can buy pre-made batter from your local Indian store or use instant mix options. Problem solved. No fermenting required. Just grab and go. First, let's prepare the vegetables. Chop onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and green chilies into small uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking and a perfect blend of flavors. Pro tip, a sprinkle of finely chopped cilantro adds freshness and a burst of color. Next, to heat a non-stick skillet over medium flame and lightly grease it with oil. Here's where the magic starts. Pour a ladleful of dosa batter onto the skillet and gently spread it into a thick circle like making pancakes. Keep it a bit thick for added fluffiness. Now, scatter your prepped veggies evenly on top of the batter. Lightly press them down with a spatula. This step ensures your veggies stay put and cook thoroughly. A sprinkle of salt and black pepper at this stage amps up the flavors beautifully. As the base cooks, drizzle a little oil around the edges of the uttapam. This helps in getting that perfect crispy texture that makes uttapam irresistible. You'll know it's time to flip when the edges start to lift and look a golden brown. Carefully flip the uttapam using a spatula and let it cook on the other side for about 2 minutes. This side needs less time as the heat will have already permeated through the batter. Keep a keen eye to avoid overcooking, which can make it tough. Transfer the uttapam to a serving plate once cooked and repeat the process with the remaining batter. And each uttapam can be a little world of flavors in itself, especially if you experiment with different veggies like grated carrots or corn. Serving time.
Traditionally, Uttapam is accompanied by coconut chutney or sambar.
The tangy and spicy accompaniments elevate this dish, giving your taste buds an explosion of flavors. My personal favorite is pairing it with a mint coriander chutney. A common question is how to store leftovers. Uttapams can be refrigerated for up to 2 days. Just reheat on a skillet over low heat. Before serving, they retain their flavors, making them a great meal prep option for busy weekdays. Let's celebrate the versatility of Uttapam. You can twist the recipe with toppings like paneer, cheese, or even a fried egg on top. It's all about customizing it to suit your taste and making breakfast an exciting, nutritious affair every day. If you're like me and live in Portland, you know how the weather can make you crave comfort food. Uttapam, with its heartiness and warmth, fits the bill perfectly. Grab your ingredients, turn up some music, then let's get cooking. C's.